Ottoman Empire, with its sultans, is no longer a reality. But what do the people of the modern Turkey think about monarchy? Could the echoes of the royal past still resonate in the hearts of citizens of the Turkish Republic? Today, we are delving deep into the intriguing question of monarchism in Turkey, armed with surprising survey results and historical insights. Stay with us as we unravel this complex tapestry of monarchy, memory, and modernity. To understand the present, we must journey back to the past. The Ottoman Empire, established around 1299, was absolute monarchy with power spanning continents. Yet by 19th century, winds of change began to steer. The young Ottomans, and later the Young Turks, sought reforms, pushing the empire towards the constitutionalism. The seismic event of World War I set the stage for a dramatic transformation. The Ottoman Empire, allied with the Central Powers, faced a crushing defeat. It was a period of profound chaos and uncertainty, paving the way for a bold, new vision under Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. And you should also be bold by liking the video, sharing it, and subscribing to the channel to help its growth. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk was a Turkish field marshal, revolutionary statesman, author, and the founding father of the Republic of Turkey, serving as its first president from 1923 until his death in 1938. He undertook sweeping progressive reforms which modernized Turkey into a secular, industrializing nation. His reforms were revolutionary. Secularism, westernization, and democracy became the new pillars. The Sultanate and Caliphate were abolished, and a wave of cultural and legal reform swept across the new republic. Atatürk's vision was clear: to align Turkey with the modern world, moving away from its imperial past. The multi-party era began in 1945, introducing new dynamic into Turkish politics. However, this period was also punctuated by military coups, political instability, and the ongoing Kurdish conflict. These events shaped Turkey's political landscape, leading to a constant negotiation between past tradition and present aspiration. The latter half of the century saw the rise of various political figures, each having their imprint on the fabric of Turkish society. Entering the 21st century, Turkey faced new challenges and opportunities. The rise of the Justice and Development Party under Recep Tayyip Erdogan marked a significant shift. Their leadership has been characterized by economic growth, political reforms, and controversies around the secularism and Islamization. The failed coup attempt in 2016 and its aftermath further complicated Turkey's political narrative. These events have left the Turkish populace with mixed feelings about their country's direction, as our survey also reveals. Our survey, conducted with a margin of error of 8% and confidence level of 95%, offers a window in the Turkish psyche. A significant 67.65% of our respondents are unhappy with the current political system. But what does this really mean? Is it a mere reflection of political dissatisfaction, or does it indicate a yearning for something different, perhaps a return to monarchical rule? Interestingly, while a vast majority are familiar with the concept of monarchy, there's a clear reluctance to embrace it as a political system. Only 17.65% support a restoration of monarchy, with an overwhelming 79.41% opposing it. But there's more to these numbers. Let's delve deeper into these nuances. When asked about potential role of monarchy, 63.37% believe it should play no role, while a smaller yet significant 18.81% see a place for an executive monarchy. This split in opinion opens a fascinating window into the complex relationship between Turkey's past and the present political landscape. 75.49% don't think it would be more effective than the current system. Restoring a monarchy in a country that has embraced republicanism for nearly a century is no small matter. It's not only about changing the political system, it's about altering the very identity of a nation. The strong opposition to monarchism may be rooted in the collective memory of the Ottoman Empire's decline and the subsequent hardships. Moreover, Atatürk's legacy of secularism and modernization seems to have left a mark on Turkish psyche. But what are your thoughts? Should Turkey restore monarchy or not? A huge thank you for our patrons. If you're able, consider joining our Patreon to further our mission. Remember to engage with this video to help our channel grow. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.